Abay, ito ata ang craziest mid-season trade in NBA history. Well, para sa di pa nakakaalam, abay, tinrade na ito ang Los Angeles Lakers, etong si Anthony Davis for Luka Doncic. And well, ang full details mga idol, marireceive ng Lakers si Luka, si Maxi Kleber, Markieff Morris. Ito namang Mavericks, marireceive si Anthony Davis, si Max Christie at ang 2029 first round pick ng LA Lakers. Ang Jazz naman ay matatanggap si Hood Schifino at pati na rin dalawang second round pick. And definitely mga idol, lahat ng NBA fans ay caught off guard dito nga sa balitang ito nang dahil wala man lang rumor, wala man lang kahit counting balita man lang patungkol nga dito. Straight up trade, caught off guard ang lahat ng NBA fans. At pati nga mga NBA players ay talaga nga namang nagulat dito sa nangyari at sila'y napatweet. Si Jalen Bronson 2 beses ba yung nag-tweet mga idol, akala niya April Fools. Itong si Tyler Hero napamura at si Alex Caruso, former Lakers players, ay baka na-hack nga daw. Itong si Sham Saranya, si Tyrese Maxey, ganun din si Josh Hart, pati na rin si Joel Embiid. And well mga idol, pati nga si LeBron James ay sabi nga neto ni Sham Saranya ay nagulat. Si LeBron, si AD mismo, pati na rin si Luka Doncic, pakinggan nyo.
Doing this deal, and I'm told Luka Doncic, Anthony Davis, LeBron James, the players, coaches, a lot of people on both sides with the Mavericks and Lakers had no idea. I can assuredly tell you it's a fact. LeBron James had no idea this was coming.
At ang mga NBA players din mid-game, at ito si Devin Booker, kitang-kita natin ang kanyang unang reaksyon nang mabasa niya ang balita sa trade. Talaga nga namang left speechless itong si D-Book at pati na rin ang kanyang ibang mga teammates dito. Panoorin natin.
I think so, yeah.
At pati nga ang mga Blazers players dito ay kanila ding nabalitaan during the game ang napakalakit na kakagulat na trade. At ito ang kanilang mga naging reaction dyan.
And that's the case for a lot of people. Yeah, now Matisse has had that face on ever since Denny came over here. And I showed Denny because Denny didn't believe it. Now they're still trying to figure it out.
That was fascinating.
And so it is a stunning development.
And this sa post-game naman, ito nga si Devin Booker pati na rin si Kevin Durant ay binigay nga ang kanilang thoughts patungkol sa grabing trade, nakakagulat na trade ng Lakers at ng Mavericks.
Your reaction to seeing that? It's crazy, man. You know, I really don't know what to say about it. You know, Luka being a guy that, you know, everybody's claimed is untouchable and untradeable, and you know, the NBA shows you again. Right.
Insane. Well, it's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, would have never thought Luka Doncic get